where the flowers bloom and the sunshine glows. There's normal gardens where the beauty grows. Every leaf tells a story, every seed takes flight. In the garden's heart, everything feels right. Es mamo, sing it to the sky. Whisper to the petals as the clouds drift by. Es mamo, let the green roots run, dancing with the daisies in the morning sun.
Hello everyone, welcome to Esmamo Garden. Today is pruning day. Everything that is dead, looks dead, or it's about to die, it's getting pruned. Pruning is essential for plant health, safety, and productivity. It removes dead or infected wood to prevent infection to the entire plant. It encourages abundant bloom and larger fruits by directing energy to healthy branches. And it also improves air circulation to prevent pests and helps to manage the size of the plant. Here I have basil. The blooms have died back and it's producing seeds. So I will cut the top blooms that have died back. There's a marigold, it's got mealybugs on it. That is why it's important to prune your plants. A lack of air circulation creates a breeding ground for mealybugs, aphids, and many more pests. The lemon verbena is a medicinal herb. It grows as a shrub, and in this planter I think it's limited. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take it out and plant it down on the ground where it can explode in size and in productivity, because I want to enjoy the benefit of having this plant in the yard. The planter, it looks perfect, done, ready for the next one. I found a beautiful spot for the lemon verbena, so I'm gonna plant it here. mixing it with the potting mix. The next one is the fever bush and looks like it has run its race. So let's get into it and see what's happening. The branches are just breaking so easily. They are dead. This plant is dead. It seems like I will be taking this entire plant down. So this fever bush it's done for. This jigsaw is a lifesaver because I do have a saw, but I don't know where it is. So this jigsaw has saved me a lot of time and a lot of effort because nothing seems to work to cut this tree down. Oh, there is a lot of progress. This is my morning exercise. Okay, I'm gonna leave it at that for now. I'm just gonna clean around this area. The same fever bush has seeded itself here, or it's either that root came out from that other plant to here. So it's not a loss for me because now I have another tree growing here. What I'm going to do is prune it down for winter, and in spring it will pop up again fresh and new. Doesn't it look much better? This space, it looks way better. Wrestling with that fever bush, I broke the elephant ear plant, but I have propagated next to the plant. I'm not gonna water it. I'll leave it callus, then I'll water it after 2 days. And now we are at the front of the house. There's marigolds that have dried out, but there's a lot of seeds. I'm just going to dust out the seeds, let them spread here, and it will come back again in spring. So when it dries out, it seeds. So there's the seeds here in this pot. So you can just rub them down, they'll fall down, and it will reseed itself here come spring. And this begonium needs pruning as well. There is a hole here, a visible hole here, as if something is digging up the roots because it's just popping out of the ground. I need to salvage whatever I can. I need this plant back in the ground. Whatever it's dead, but Whatever is alive, I'm gonna put back. There's a hole here as if something was digging it out because the roots were clearly exposed. So I'm gonna just prune it back and put the roots back. It will catch again and it will survive. I could propagate this, but no, it's dried up badly. So let's replant. The root system still looks fantastic. So it has to be anchored back into the soil for it to come back again. Let me not plant it where it was. I'll just move it back a little bit. The soil is nice and soft and moist, so it's not dry because I've watered the soil a couple of days ago, so it's not dry. Just mixing it up with that potting soil that we came with, just to enrich the soil a little bit. And now we're gonna water it in. The root system is pretty good, so let it absorb this water as much as possible and it will survive. That is enough project for today, pruning. Thank you for coming along with me. Please subscribe, like, share and comment, and I'll see you soon.